Let's search for clients on Google Maps using Presto Maps Scraper. Start by entering your query, for example, restaurants. Next, open the extension pop-up and select the Auto Search option to get started. We've enabled Auto Search, which automatically zooms and scrolls through the map for you. Since the process can take some time, we've sped up the video by 5 times. Auto Search focuses on areas with a high density of your chosen business type, ensuring it captures every venue visible on the map. Let's open the resulting list in Google Sheets. We found a total of 234 restaurants in the selected part of San Francisco. The data includes full addresses, websites, phone numbers, as well as other details to help you analyze and reach out to potential clients. That's how easy it is to find leads with Presto Maps Scraper. Start building your client list today by downloading the extension. Visit our website to learn more and unlock the full potential of automated lead generation.